Now let's look at adding and subtracting rational expressions with same denominators. If we have the same denominators, as for example, 1/5 plus 2/5, in order to add these, I would keep the denominator because it is the same. 1/5 plus 2/5 would give me 3/5. Just adding the numerators up top and keeping the denominator. For these examples, we have the denominators are the same, 6p squared plus 9p. All we have to do in this example is combine like terms in the numerator. So 3p squared and 7p squared are like terms, and 16p and negative p are like terms. Just rearranging the terms in the numerators so that I can add like terms together. 3 plus 7 gives me 10p squared plus 15p divided by 6p squared plus 9p. And once we have a single fraction after adding them, we want to try to simplify. So notice the pattern. Combine the two fractions into one fraction, combine the like terms to get a simpler fraction, and now factor it. So we factor common factors on the top, 5p, 2p plus 3, and on the bottom, 3p, 2p plus 3, and then we can cancel like factors that occur, one on the top, one on the bottom of the fraction bar. 2p plus 3 cancels, and then these p's also cancel to leave us just with 5/3 as our answer. Similarly for subtraction, we want to do the same thing, but we have to be really careful with the second numerator in that we distribute this negative sign to all of the terms in the numerator for the second fraction. Notice both fractions have the same denominator, so I can copy that over as it is. And then up top, 8x squared minus 4x squared minus 25, because of that subtraction that's occurring in the middle. We subtract the whole numerator, which means we need to distribute that negative sign. And then we can simplify the numerator. 8x squared minus 4x squared will give us 4x squared. And the next step is to factor if we can. And that numerator is a difference of squares. 2x squared gives us 4x squared. And 5 squared is 25. And we have a sum and a difference. I'm going to copy my denominator over, and we can see 2x plus 5s are the same. We can cancel them, and we're left with 2x minus 5 as our answer.